Psychology is the field that studies human behavior and mental processes, and it delves into so many interesting topics in that very, very large domain.
Anything that you've noticed that someone does, if you've wanted to know why they do what they do, that's psychology.
If you're really understanding how people are interacting and how we process the world around us, that's what psychology does.
One of the really cool things about our department is we have multiple different pathways because of how many different professors we have. They can get the experiences that will help them go to grad school or help prepare them for careers.
We offer the graduate degree in psychology with areas of focus in both clinical and experimental psychology. All of our faculty members in the clinical program practice some form of cognitive behavioral therapy, so our students leave here with a really thorough grounding in that particular form of treatment.
One of the cool things about graduate school in clinical psychology is that you get to do a practicum where you get to explore the practical aspects of the field, and you get to work with people from a variety of different walks of life. That's when you get in that real kind of hands-on, face-to-face work with the client.
In addition to having a clinical research program, we also have students that can pursue experimental. So in experimental training, what our graduate students are working on is really building like an individualized program of research that they're able to develop themselves. So for example, we have students working out in the community and really trying to understand what's going on with developmental psychology and social psychology and answering some of these big research questions. And they really get this one-on-one training with a lot of their mentors in the program to really help them push themselves forward in their training, but also make big contributions to the research world and understanding psychology as well.
One of the amazing things about this department is that as an undergrad, you get to be involved in research from day one. As long as you take the initiative, you can really be exposed to all of these different things, and you can be involved in all the experimental processes like clinical interviews or, just running participants. And it's one of the great things about being an undergraduate here is that you are able to have all those amazing experiences that you don't normally get to see.
Imagine a moment where you and your team are the only ones that know something in the entire world. And the thrill that what you just found out could change the lives of people in meaningful ways. You figured that out while you were here as a student. And exploring these topics with faculty are so much fun and engaging, and it will change your whole college experience by being able to do these things.